Pure Pixel OS, which is based on Android 14, stock Android 14. This is one of those custom which I haven't talked about much from a long time. We are talking about Helluva OS, and maybe you know the other name is Hentai OS. This is one of the best custom right now. If you talk about if you have ever installed this, because I heard from some users that this is one of the best ones. Why so? Firstly, it's pure stock Android, exactly stock Android, and just not stock Android, but it is exactly similar to Pixel device. Like if you use a Pixel device, it's literally same. In my case, it is the device I'm using. My device is Mi 11X, and this is Pixel launcher which you have pre-installed, because this is exactly like Pixel. It's just like that you are using a Pixel device, almost identical to the Pixel device. Like I'm a Pixel 7 user, and it's literally same. If I move on to the quick settings panel, you will definitely notice the quick settings panel is also having all the stock features. One thing you will notice is if I click on edit option, and if you want to try to add or remove any tile from here, it will not work like if I click and add or remove the things which you do in custom rooms normally, because it is literally stock Android. So you have to simply hold, drag and drop to add or remove these tiles. This is quite amazing. I mean, if you are looking forward to a custom room which gives you stock vibes, all the Pixel feelings, same kind of things, then this custom room is a good choice for you. This is the device info app which I am using to show you that my device is recognized as Pixel 5. I have not installed any props, etc. So all the features I'm getting right now are literally same. All the device Pixel 5 what we have, everything is literally same. This is so amazing. One of the main highlights of Android 14, yes, it's Android 14, and one of the main highlights is the lock screen customization. If I hold here like this one, you will see the customized lock screen option. So finally all the clocks, etc. It's same Pixel 5 OS, so you have the option to customize a lock screen. The same thing, the same kind of animations and lock screen, pin protection, etc. You have the option to customize the lock screen clocks. There are many clock styles available, the things which you have in stock Android already from Pixel devices. Like I'm a Pixel device user, I use Pixel 7a on my device occasionally, and things are working perfectly fine in this case too. It's not just looking like that I'm using a Mi 11X, it's same like Pixel device. It looks like I'm using a Pixel device. So this is one of the advantages of using this custom room. I don't think so you need Pixel device anymore. Of course the hardware matters, but software is still same. If I move on to the other options, you can see wallpaper colors, etc. Same kind of things. Home screen, as it is not having any kind of modded things pre-installed, it's actually same and stock Android. So you will not get any kind of features, etc. pre-installed. Nothing to customize, nothing to modify. If you want to do anything, you have to root your device to do that. But if you use this one thing, let me tell you that you will get the unlimited photos and videos backup at storage saver quality, because in my device it's recognizes Pixel 5. So that is why Pixel 5 users are not getting the original quality for free. If you want to try out this one on your device, you will get the unlimited photos and videos backup only at storage saver quality. One thing, as my device bootloader is definitely unlocked, but still the basic integrity, CTS, everything is passing. SafeNet is having no issues. If you root your device, install Magisk, you have to use the SafeNet fix to pass safety net. But right now, by default, you don't have to do anything. As this custom room is not focused on any kind of customization, as I just mentioned few minutes ago regarding this one, that this is the stock Android. It's actually stock Android. This is the real Pixel OS what I'm using in this one. It's not the Pixel OS custom room I'm talking about. This is Pixel OS, which means Pixel device OS, Pixel stock Pixel OS. You have all the Pixel features. Some features will definitely require you to simply install some apps from the Google Play Store, or basically update some apps. Like in my case, I have not updated any app yet, but you can update those and the features will work for you. In other options, same here, all the Android 14 features already existed, and this could be the first update, I guess, because I tried this custom room after a long time, so I'm not exactly sure if this is the first one or not, but I think so. As Android 14 is here, this is great. This is available for some other devices too. In my case, it's available for Mi 11X. I think so 3 or 4 devices are also included in this list. We'll provide you the link in the description for their Telegram support channel, so you can go and check out if it is available for your device or not, as it is not having any kind of customization feature. So if you're looking forward to customization focused custom home, especially based on Android 14, I'm sharing those custom home videos with you very soon. But for now, this is it. These were things I just wanted to let you know. By the way, this also brings the OTA update support. So yes, don't worry about the OTA updates. You will get these things on your device too. This is it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and take care.